Hi guys, this is your girl Savitri. Welcome back to my channel. Last episode it was a full body workout video and you have all showed us such a love and you people encouraged me very well. So I'm literally thankful for that and I hope you guys are really doing well. For me, workout is not just a daily routine part. Workout makes me alive. It brings me some good energy and it makes me to be confident on myself. So, as like in a last episode, I showed a full body workout, but today I'm concentrating on my legs. So legs are works like a basic foundation. So if a foundation is strong, then whole building will be strong. Exactly right. So no more wait. Let's get into the work. So first it's a warm up. For warm up, I'm choosing a three movement. First is jumping jack. Second is leg swing, and third it's a world largest stretch. So let's begin. Second movement is leg swing. I'm going, it's showing by side. And third, world largest stretch. All three, I'm going back to back another round. So starting from the jumping jacks. So next, it's a main workout. For that, my first movement is low impact run, or you can call it as a escape. I'm calling it as a low impact run. So I'm starting from here. So the movement is like just to take your knees up. So for this, you can go like this, but I'm choosing, it's little difficult and I'm challenging myself. I'm going by lateral. So let's start. So I forgot to tell you, it's just like a 30-second workout and 20 seconds. Second movement is drop squat. The movement is like all you need to do, go drop and come. While going drop, you have to go with the squat and back, drop, back. Here you can choose your own weight, but all I'm doing with my body weight. So let's get started. Remember, 30-second workout, 20-second rest. So go. Okay, so the third movement is lunge and kicks. The movement is like you need to go to lunge and kick. Okay, so let's get started. Lunge and kick. Lunge. And my fourth movement is it's a shuffle jack. What you need to do is, as you all know, jack, and by leg it will be the shuffle. Okay, so shuffle and at the same moment jack. Okay, so let's start our fourth movement. Okay, get ready. Just only for your leg, it is also for your cardiovascular system. So this is all we done with our 4 round with the 4 movement. So all we go back to back with our second round. Okay, so we'll go back to back. If you're feeling tired, not you, if I am feeling tired, I'll have a sip of water again. Remember, all we need hydration. It's a summer is on peak, so drink lot of water and keep yourself hydrated. By that word, we'll start our second round. So first movement was low impact run. I'm starting from here. Go. Workout and 10-second rest. So in my rest, I'm choosing to walk because what I can say, I can say it as make my breathing process slower and for make me to be constant. Drop squat. So you We can't stand. So let's start. Body, it has two sides. Like one, I can say our always right side will be stronger and left side will little weak. So same thing in my body. My right side is little stronger and my left is little weaker. What do you need to do for that? We have solution. Give little more workout to that. Make your muscle stronger, that it can support your body. Oh. So the fourth moment is shuffle jack. So that's the last moment. Ready? So we came to an end. All this heavy, high intensity workout. At the end, you all need a proper cooling down. Oh, so I gave, as I said in the first, it's a leg workout. I gave a lot of work to my core muscle, my hamstring, my glute. So just to relax them, I'm just going down and keeping my front leg in a 90 degree and grabbing my ankle. But I always choose my leg workout in a week twice because I think legs should be strong. I hope you guys will agree with my words, and that's all. That's all today's my leg workout. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. I need all your support to come back with another bang episode. Until then, like, subscribe and share with your friends.